I've been using the Jetboil MiniMo for the past 5 years now, and it's really efficient. It works really well. It's fast to boil. Everything you need is right here in this pot. But when it comes to lightweight backpacking and that sort of thing, it's quite bulky and it's not the lightest of options. So over the last few months, I've been making my own kind of lightweight cook set I'm going to share with you today. I'm still going to use Jetboil for car-based camping trips, but now I'm going to be taking other trips. I'll be taking my my new set, which is right here. It's roughly 2/3 the size of the Jetboil. And I started building this in September, and I'm going to go through item by item, show you what I've got. I'll put links below to each item where you can buy it, and I'll put a weight as we go along on the screen. So the first thing really is the mesh bag on the outside. That came from Outkit, obviously. If I had known that the mug I was buying came with its own mesh bag here, I may not have bought this, but it's actually quite useful. It's got a larger capacity. So inside here is the mug. As I was saying, it's a mesh bag, and it's the Outkit. I think it's the MiniMo 650. It's titanium, really lightweight. I've used it twice so far. I can get a full cup of tea plus enough water to go in my bowl for some porridge. This bowl here, from this one cup. Inside of here I've got microfiber cloth with the stove in it, and inside you can see I've got my gas canister. Now the stove I've got is the MSR Pocket Rocket 2. I'm sure you've seen it before. It's a really good stove, very fast boiling, although not quite as fast as Jetboil, but it's lightweight, packs down well. And what more can I say really? The only downsides I have so far is that it is quite loud when it's running, as you might have heard, and it is quite vulnerable against wind. So it really does need some kind of wind shelter or wind shield, and we'll get to that a bit later on. And also there's no ignition with it, so I bought this little piezo igniter, which again is quite small and lightweight. It packs alongside it. So that's that part. The Pocket Rocket stove comes in this red storage case when you receive it, but it's quite bulky in itself. I don't think I need to have this when I put this inside my cup, so I'll try and use it elsewhere, maybe with a camera battery, something like that. And the mug itself was sat inside this bowl here. And this may be a luxury item for some people. Again, it's from Outkit, it's titanium, it's got a 300ml capacity, and it's mainly for doing my porridge. So I would boil water in this, then I would pour the water from that into here with the porridge oats, let that go, drop my tea bag into the pot and let the tea brew there. And I've got my that's my breakfast basically each morning on a trail. This again is lightweight, titanium. This here is a silicone pot scraper, so it's a non-scratch aid for getting porridge oats and food off of your titanium stuff without scratching it. This is about £5. I bought it from Taunton Leisure a few years ago, really handy to have. Now I've got an option of 2 of these pot stands. This one is OEX from Go Outdoors. It's about £5. I like how it clicks together like this, so it's reliable, and it's an easy fit onto the gas. When I was buying my Windshield, I spotted this one from Optimus. Only a 3-leg design, but if you can see, it sits much higher above the ground. So if you're on like a really rocky or uneven surface, you're more likely to get a stable cook set than you would with this one perhaps. I recently bought this windshield. It's the Optimus windshield. It cost me £12 from Ultralight Outdoor Gear, free delivery. I bought this foot stand at the same time. It fits onto a gas canister very easily. I've yet to use it for outside at all, but I do wonder how effective it will be with these large holes around here. To me they seem to be a bit larger than they need to be, but we'll have to see over time. This thing only weighs about 87 grams according to my scales. Alternatively, I could use a more traditional windshield like this. I'm not a huge fan of these because they are quite noisy and I'm always losing these pins out the side here. But it's not too heavy, not too hard to pack away in the side pocket or something. It does weigh. I have got one of these pop-up folding tumbler cup things. Never used it. It was a gift last Christmas. And, I've also bought two of these lightweight camping tables. The first one I'm sure you've seen before. It's the Cascade Wild folding table. It weighs an incredible 60 grams. And it's made from this lightweight Corex material, corrugated plastic. This is ideal for those longer multi-day trips. Well, I also have, I bought this Nature Hike folding table. Both about the same price, £15 thereabouts. This one's obviously heavier, but it's two sides together. One of these in each end, and you put it over like that. Hold it down, hook these bits in. Yeah, it nearly works. Let's pull that back there. That's pretty much it. Just caught my towel in there, that's not good. But yeah, a pretty solid flat table. And along with all of that, I do own a transient burner now. A few months ago. Haven't used it yet, but you know how compact these things are. I've got some stove in the other fuel in the other room, and I bought a triangle stove to go with it. Again, it's not been used yet, but I'll give it a try over time. This is probably the most lightweight option you can buy using the mass burner option. Let's leave that there. I weighed it in. The final figures were 378 grams for the whole lot, and that's not too bad. I think my Jetboil is somewhere close to 500 plus the gas. I'm sure I could make it lighter still, but already it's a big saving on both volume and physical weight. So thanks for watching this video. Please leave any comments below. Subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you soon. Stay safe, stay well and stay active.